Welcome to my channel Ashfaq Biology, Cell Structure and Function MCQs. Topic: Ribosome MCQs number 1. In E. coli, the type of ribosome will be present: A. Fixed form, B. Free form, C. Attached form, D. Both A and B. The correct option is B. Free form. Cell structure and function MCQs. Topic: Ribosome MCQs number 2. Angiosperm cell have type of ribosomes form: A. Fixed form, B. Free form, C. Attached form, D. All of these. Correct option is all of these. Option D. Cell structure and function MCQs. Topic: Ribosome MCQs number 3. Before protein synthesis, the ribosome will be in the form of: A. Units, B. Complete body, C. Partial units, D. None. Option A is correct, that is units. Cell structure and function MCQs. Topic: Ribosome MCQs number 4. For RBCs, the Hb protein formed by type of ribosomes: Option A. Fixed, B. Free form, C. Attached form, D. All of these. Correct is B. Cell structure and function MCQs. Topic: Ribosome MCQs number 5. The ribosomal subunits linked by ions: Option A. Calcium, B. Chlorine, C. Silicon, D. Magnesium. The correct is magnesium. Option D. Cell structure and function MCQs. Topic: Ribosome MCQs number 6. In 70S ribosome, 1 unit in 50S, the second unit will be: A. 60S, B. 40S, C. 30S, D. 20S. Correct option is C. 30S.